Are you thinking about upgrading your gazebo with some entertainment unit? So here I have a gazebo, it's an outdoor gazebo, and I am thinking about placing an outdoor TV right here on the pillar. Do I have to drill the pillar? I have now a Silvox outdoor TV, and I want to place it right on this pillar. But now I do not have a drill. Well, don't you worry, because ZeboZap can assist you to mount a TV on a pillar outdoors. Let me show you right now. This ZeboZap outdoor TV mount is this TV mount and the magic pin right here. Alright, this magic pin allows you to fix this mount in just minutes, and sometimes in just seconds, you know. So what I do here, I loosen this pin, okay, align it with this bolts, and just press it down. Did you hear that? That is the magic pin's job, which is to secure this TV mount onto this pillar bracket. Right? This is really strong, and you won't believe what I can do here right now. Watch here. Yeah, guys, I'm about 180 pounds, and this TV mount is able to withstand the weight of me on this mount. You're going to use to mount this TV onto a pillar is this screwdriver, which is to actually fasten the safety screws right here. So you just fasten the safety screws right here to make sure it attaches itself to the mount. Okay, mount right here, it's a pillar TV mount, and it is outdoor rated, and you can see here that it is 360 degrees. You can turn your TV, right? And this TV mount can also be tilted with this hex key right here, and it can be attached to any types of pillars. So you can see here, it's a square pillar. I can attach this mount to a round pillar, an odd shaped pillar, any type of pillar. You can mount this TV with this TV mount. Alright, so here I have a 55-inch TV mounted on a pillar. So if you want to set up your outdoor entertainment setup, get your ZeboZap outdoor TV mount right now.